Good morning. So right here, you're about to take a look at a rare find in Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm super excited to show you this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, den, 2-car garage, central Phoenix, great location, minutes to everything. So if you're not familiar with downtown Phoenix, it may be the area that you need to check out. If you're looking for restaurants, culture, things to do all the time, downtown Phoenix, midtown, uptown, historic area, there's always something going on, along with these amazing homes. So this one right here was built back in 1946. It's just one of the coolest homes that you're gonna see. Lots of character, lots of charm. And again, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel. We are always posting videos all week long of amazing available properties out here in Phoenix, Arizona. So yeah, we're gonna take a walk on through. Please make sure you comment, like below, subscribe, and then let me know if you have questions on this property, if you want to see it, or if you want to see one like it, or maybe somewhere in a different location. I work the whole valley, so I'm always here to help, and let's take a tour of this gorgeous home. All right, so we're out here in Campus Vista. It's a little historic district right here next to Phoenix College, tree lined, lots of mature trees, lots of mature gardening, and yes, that is Phoenix College right there. So if you're looking for a great location and you want an investment property, this could be a great option for you also. As we walk through, this one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,060 on the square footage, built in 1946. This gorgeous home, taxes are only $885 for the year. So that's another fun fact. In the historic area, you will have a little bit lower taxes if the home has its original appeal to it, and it's granted in by the historic district. So those are some fun things that happen also down here in downtown Phoenix. As we walk on through here, they've done some great upgrades. Flooring's beautiful wood floors. They have a really cool den area I'm excited to show you. I'm just trying to take in all this curb appeal. So this home has a lot of mature greenery, shrubs, cactuses. So if you're looking for a home that's been loved, this could definitely check all the places. We have this little courtyard up here, which is super cute. This home does have a 2-car garage, which is also nice. And as for location, we're minutes to Encanto Park, the light rail, downtown Phoenix, and midtown entertainment. We have a lot of cafes, shopping, landmarks down here. The Herd Museum, the Phoenix Art Museum. The list goes on and on. So if you're looking for lifestyle, this one right here will keep you very active. People in the historic areas, they're pretty proud, they're pretty friendly. There's a lot of people out walking, exercising at all times. So there's always something to do, always some place to go, and definitely someone to talk to. So we're gonna head on in right here. So as we enter in, we are gonna curve right here to the living room, which is a great sized room. It features a wood burning fireplace, has those adorable bookshelves on the end. So lots of style, lots of definite character in this beautiful living space. You have this little nook right here. And it's cozy, it's a super cozy home. And as we walk through, we're going to go into the formal dining room, which is a great size area. You have a pretty large dining table set up right here. And sits about 6 people, so you can kind of see how much span you have, which is nice. Oh, and enter the kitchen right here. So they did update the kitchen. You have gas in the kitchen, lots of cabinets, another little breakfast nook. All right. This one right here has original architecture details, including hardwood floors, coved ceilings, natural light throughout. Some of the windows have been upgraded, which is nice. This one right here has this cool little area back here. So they have it set up as a laundry room with a bathroom and then this second den space. But you could also turn this into a pantry. There's lots of cabinets back here. So in the historic homes, the storage is definitely something that you'd want to think about. And this one does have a pretty good amount of cabinets and storage, which is wonderful. And you do have indoor laundry, which is another big plus in these older homes. You have this beautiful bathroom. And again, this home is from 1946. So they did keep some of the character in it, which is great. But they did do some good upgrades too. So we're gonna go into my favorite room. I'd probably make this my family room if it was a house I was purchasing, just because it's so cozy. It kind of feels like northern Arizona or a place out in the east, west, or midwest. You got beautiful pine wood walls, lots of wood detail in here. And a lot of natural lighting. So as we tour this room, I'm going to flip this around so you can see all the lighting in here. So lots of beautiful windows. And then they have this room back here set up as an office, but you could definitely do a bedroom back here if you needed to. Has the room, it has this closet space. The closet's right there. All right, so as we enter this back room, the lighting's amazing. This would be a great at-home office, or if you need it to be another bedroom, you do have the closet space in here to do so. A little cozy room. I know for me that I would love this room to be my office just because of the lighting and the location. It's away from everyone, so it's a great little portion of this home that I just had to point out. It's cozy, quiet, and a perfect space to make that at-home office. All right, and we're gonna walk this way. You do have a 2-car garage as we continue our tour. Have your 2-car garage out here and a little workshop area. So again, it is awesome to have extra space in a historic home, just because sometimes it doesn't feel like you have enough closets, enough cabinets. I mean, I guess that could be any home, but when the homes were built in the 20s, 30s, 40s, people didn't have as much shoes and clothing. So definitely closets are huge. If you can find a home with good storage, that would definitely be on my checklist if I was shopping. All right, so we head back this way and you have this beautiful bedroom, which is a large size room. It's pretty good size. And you have your bathroom right here. So shower tub combo, along with this beautiful window. And I don't know about you, but I love a good window in the bathroom. Definitely a place that it's nice to have fresh air. I like to take my showers very, very hot. No cold water added, please. So it's always pretty steamy in there. To be able to open the window is always a great thing. All right, so this is one of the other bedrooms right here. So this is bedroom number 2, another good size room. And these floors are beautiful. They're in great shape. And then this would be bedroom number 3. So this home has some newer windows, which is always great. Save on the efficiency. Good size room. You got a king size bed in here. Double closets. And as we come back this way, we're going to check out the backyard. And again, beautiful wood door. And lots of greenery out here. So you have a beautiful covered patio, cafe lights. The backyard does have turf. So low maintenance. That's your little workshop right there. It's pretty low maintenance. You get this beautiful big tree. So the homeowners did a great job on this home. They've loved it for many years. It has a lot of space in this backyard. Again, this lot is over 8,000 square feet, so it feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like you're sitting on top of your neighbors. How cute is this? They got this little brick oven over here. Almost wonder if you could cook some pizza. And you have your garden set up. Beautiful mural. And again, if you're in the market to buy a home and you're looking to be in a great location with lots of growth, desirable, centrally located, and in an affordable price point, this could be the home for you. If you want more details, please reach out, comment more info below, and I'll get you that home tour. I'll get you the info you need, and let me help you buy a home. Have an awesome day.